Good morning, Arizona. This is Marlon, your Arizona real estate broker. I am here on a Tuesday, which is AMC movie theater, $5 if you're gonna watch a movie at AMC on my day, which I usually take off on a Tuesday, but I wanna hit my goal of 50 open houses. So this is gonna be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So open house number 25, 24, 23, 22, and 21. I should be at my goal soon, 21. Hey, it's November, so I'm not shaving, so I look a little bit more sophisticated. Stop by. I'll be here for the next 5 days. It's in Countryside, right across Mountain Vista Ranch where I live, Reams and Greenway. Hope to see you here. I'll be at this open house. It's a great time to buy a house. Here's the beautiful big backyard. If you know somebody that wants to buy a house, sell a house, let them know. I love to help them out. This is Marlon, your Arizona real estate broker. Open house number 25, 24, 23, 22, and 21. Last week I had to do 26 and 25, but I was called to another event, so I only did one, so I don't want to count it because I'm a man of integrity. So I could have not told you that, but that's not who I am. I love to do things right. So just almost there, working hard, and as always, I love my job. This is Marlon, your Arizona real estate broker. Take care, guys.